Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So in this video today, I'm decorating a table for two. Now I decided to go ahead and go with neutrals for Thanksgiving. So let me get started. Now this video is a part of a collaboration called Tablescape Tuesdays, and that's my favorite time of the week. So Tablescape Tuesdays is every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now on the last Tuesday of the month, there is a theme, and the theme this month is Thanksgiving. So let me get started. Now I'm totally going with the neutrals, and I am using the smaller table, but you get the idea. So you multiply the place settings to however many place settings you need. So we have the placemat, which is that like bamboo type placemat. That was a thrifted item. And then the Dollar Tree was carrying these beautiful distress chargers, so I purchased those. The pumpkin plates were from Walmart, I believe. And then we have these smaller little dessert dishes, I guess, or bread dish. And I just decided to use these as coasters. Now the wine glasses did come from the Dollar Tree, and then the cream colored napkins, I think that was a gifted item. I'm not positive. And then we have the ties that came from the Dollar Tree. Now the flatware did come from Home Goods. So that centerpiece vase I DIY'd. It has a bow on it. And then I have some boxwood in there. Very simple, guys. I grabbed a couple of pumpkins and a pine cone. I placed the pine cone on the center of each plate as well. And then we have a tea light, or a candlelight. So this is nice and refreshing, and I'm absolutely loving it. And I hope you guys do too. All right, so I lit the candle, and we're getting ready to head on over to the reveal. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.